Hello there.
This is exactly what I've been waiting for. This is exactly, I don't mean to sound like Cat Williams, but this is exactly what I've been waiting for.
Let's go! I'm Joe.
I'm Tanner. And here, we're doing how to make your car a little bit more like yours.
Yes, 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 yes!
Because you're just as poor as we are, or at least me. You like cheap things, like license plate things. $10 total at Walmart. Go butts to nuts, kids.
I got stickers that were free with my order.
I like turtles.
I had something else, but it seems to be gone.
No, 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 fuck, shit!
What was my other thing?
Tire shine, marker.
Tire marker. Tanner, why must you be such a dirty commie?
I didn't touch it. I have all my stuff right here. A nice little pile, and there's just
It was all in the stadium.
clearly didn't.
Marker stealing hunt.
Yeah, boy.
And tire marker.
I just found it.
Shut the fuck up.
I didn't steal it.
I'm still blaming it on you, Tanner. Oh, thank God, there's so many dead bugs on this, man. Now, Tanner, if you would be just so kind, fucking damn it, not this again. Tanner, did you throw it at my car? Yep.
I have a question for God. Why?
Clear.
It's 67509.
It.
Merry Kwanzaa.
Okay. They will definitely
Fall out.
stay on the highway. Absolutely. I have no doubt in my mind that I will not notice when those fall off.
To the rear.
Woo! Yeah, baby!
Does that look cheap? That looks really fucking cheap. So for this tire cleaner, it says shake. Shake and bake, baby. A good shaking. Throw it around a little. Flip! Ooh, I got it! Oh my God, man.
Stole the show.
Spray it onto un rag. And give it a good spritzing. Eat it on the way down. And then you just... You gotta moan the whole time too. I don't know if the mic's picking that up, but I am giving it a good grunting.
What?
Ooh, yeah. Right like it.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You know, with the other side, wipe up all that white shit. Right. But all the excess. Yeah.
I bet that does make its own.
Get off all that. All the extra sticky stuff, as you could say. And what if I just give it a spring from a distance? Huh? Oh, it's so much easier. So that's what we're doing for the next tire.
Do you do that for each tire?
I have 4 tires, don't I?
Well, yeah. Well, I'm saying that for the camera. You do that for the same for each 4 tires.
Oh, yes.
So if you want to do that, I can do sticker stuff.
Yeah. You do that for all the tires, so you start doing your job, I'll be over here doing my job.
The stickers. Got some stickers to put on my truck. What you always want to do if you're putting stickers on anything is you want to take an alcohol wipe and wipe down the area. That way it's nice and clean and not dirty, as you can see. I'm hoping the camera can pick that up. If not, it is what it is. But it's really dirty. You guys can't tell. Oh, that's disgusting. it's all coming off. It smells wonderful. Let it dry for a bit. And then I'm just going to take a dry one and wipe up all the residue from it. If I can get one out. So, now we're ready to get the first one on there. So, I'm sure everyone knows how a sticker works. Peel off the back and get creative where you want to put it.
What's up, losers and losettes?
I'm putting stickers on my truck. Ew. So we're gonna go right there. Make sure it's flat, get all the bubbles out.
Do you have any air bubbles? I got one of those vinyl things that like flatten bubbles off air bubbles.
I'm gonna get my card out. I'm a self-sufficient woman.
I wouldn't use one with numbers on it, Tanner.
Talking to
Okay. I was gonna say, I wouldn't, show like your credit card on camera.
So you just want to push those bubbles to the outer edge and get it nice and flat.
I'm gonna make a joke that I can't say on camera without getting canceled. No, the Beyblade's in here!
I just watched it slowly fall off. Alright, there's one. Second sticker's gonna be a lot more complicated. So again, rub down alcohol. Not cool, homie.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
This is a nice big sticker. So I want to make sure I get it all clean. Alright, so this one is a little fancier. You have to peel the back off, then you have to peel the front off when you get it on there. If I can peel it off, that'd be fantastic. Oh, maybe you do just peel it back. Alright, so you do just peel the back off. Oh, that's not all coming off like it's supposed to. Yeah, looks good. So make sure it's all on there nice and flat. I don't see any flat, or I don't see any air bubbles, but I'll make sure. Won't hurt nobody, hopefully.
It will.
Is it hurting your feelings, Joe?
Yeah.
Good. Here at RandBros, we really do care about each other.
Hey, Tanner.
Yeah,
You're a hoe.
I know. Alright, moment of truth. Ready?
Ooh.
That actually came out really nice. So that's how you put on stickers. It's really easy. It's just, you don't want to mess up. Especially with like these ones. That was just a regular sticker I wanted to throw on my truck. I thought it would be cool. So I did. And now people can tell who I am from the back.
That joke makes itself.
Yeah.
And now we do the macking, right? So I have done this on this tire before. It just, I don't know what happened, but it decided to shoot itself. All you gotta do is you gotta shake the marker a bit. Then you gotta give it an unnecessary amount of pushes on this. And some ink starts coming out. Once ink comes out, right? It's just like coloring. Just give it a good little steal its lunch money a little bit. There you go. Then I like to do just little short lines, maybe even just dot it a little bit. And then you do that for about 3 to 5 business days. And at some point, ew, I just touched my tire and my hand's so gross. And then at some point, you get something. My name's Joe, and I.
My name's Tanner. I don't.
Okay.
So we went over. We did stickers.
Yep.
Right? We got the tire markers. We washed the tires.
And
We did the license plate
plates.
covers. And those are like cheap ways to make your car your own and noticeable.
I think
Like-
including a soda I got, it was like $33 for all my shit.
My stuff came free with just ordering stuff online. Like, I just ordered stuff online and they gave me free stickers. I'm like, sweet, I saw them on my truck.
Yeah. The license plates were $5.69 a pop. Tire paint was like $15. And the other shit, the spray was also like around the same price, like $10-15.
Yeah. All that stuff's pretty cheap.
Yeah.
I mean, I have a license plate cover on mine, but that was a fancy one.
Yeah.
It's barbed wire, or not barbed wire, but it just looks cool and I wanted it, and it was like $20. Pretty cheap stuff. And what's nice is people can identify you on the road.
Yeah,
That's the
now
cool
they
part.
know. I mean, hear me out. Mr. Cameraman. Try and not show their license plate. Be a decent human. You can show mine now.
Just blur it out.
Actually, come on this side. When you see that car on the street, you're gonna know whose car it is, right? I mean, even if you don't like it, you're gonna know whose it is, right? I mean, let's be fucking real. If you like it or not, respect it or not, you see that shit and you're gonna know who's you're talking to, and it's gonna be a teenage asshole.
And if you see mine on the road, my worst friend ever got me this sticker.
I'm
Pretty
that worst friend
identifiable.
ever.
I got the cover symbols for the S.
So is that just vinyl or is that like a cover?
It's a gel. It's a gel cover.
A gel?
Yeah, it's a gel.
It's cool. It's fucking awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's real easy. It's cheap.
Fun.
And it's fun.
And you can harass your friends on the road. But
Except
do it legally.
Legally.
I'm not responsible.
And that, kids, is how I met your mother. Pizza!